You might overhear people in cafes, on the bus, at dinner talking about the strata. The strata did this, the strata did that. They told me I had to take it to the strata. When people talk like this, what is it that they really mean? What do they understand about this thing called the strata? Well, the answer might surprise you. There are academic studies that prove that strata is a very misunderstood concept, and not everyone knows that it is them, the owners of the apartments or townhouses, that are actually the strata. Strata is really a legal concept that describes the process of subdividing land and airspace into lots owned by individuals and shared areas called common property, held by a separate legal entity, commonly called the strata, although it has different names in different places. It's an owners' corporation in New South Wales, Victoria and the ACT, a body corporate in Queensland and Tasmania, a strata company in Western Australia, a strata corporation in South Australia, and a management corporation in the Northern Territory. In America, it would be called a condominium or a homeowners association. They're all basically the same thing. When you get into the management of strata, you learn another term, the strata scheme, and that is used to describe a bundle of three things: the way land and airspace is subdivided into lots and common property, the way units of entitlement are allocated to determine voting rights and the share of expenses each owner pays, and the rights and obligations each owner and other stakeholders have under the strata laws and the bylaws or rules made for each strata entity. So that's the first fundamental principle of strata. There must be lots and common property, a formula for voting and sharing expenses, and bylaws and rules that govern the parties. There's a strata dictionary on the strata.com.au website that will help you understand more of the language strata people speak.